On the left hand side of your screen, that's my real trade history. I'm risking 2% per trade, nothing crazy, just smart money management. Now look at the right hand side of your screen. That's my leaderboard, and I've already locked in $336 in profit. But here's the thing, I'm not stopping. I'm about to take few more live trades right now just using one simple indicator. This indicator name is Bollinger Band. It sounds very basic, but I'm not using the default setting. The normal setup here is 5 and 1, but I have changed it. I have built my own custom setting, and the accuracy is honestly insane. I'll reveal the exact number at the end of this video, but first, let's take some trade. Bollinger Band is actually a very powerful indicator, but only if you know how to use it the right way. And right now I'm spotting a setup, a clean one, so I'm not hesitating. I'm going immediately with a put entry right at the opening of the candle. No waiting, no second guessing. This setup is very simple to understand, but first let me win this trade, then I'll explain exactly why I took this entry. So let's see if it respects my setup. Now look at this. The candle is moving exactly in our favor. Big healthy red candle right after I entered. Perfect reaction. This is what we want to see. No hesitation, no pullback, just straight momentum down. And notice this. Price is bouncing right off the middle line of the Bollinger Band. As you all know that the bands acts as a support and resistance, and right now the middle band is acting as a very strong support, and price is respecting it perfectly. This trade is looking beautiful, almost no stress, and this is a high probability setup. Let me win this trade and I'll show you the exact logic behind why I enter this trade. Don't skip this part because what I'm about to show you is where everything starts to make sense. I'm breaking down the exact logic behind this trade step by step so you understand why this entry works. So as you can see, I've taken a screenshot and you see here a big green candle has broken out of our Bollinger Band middle line, which was previously working as a resistance area. Now the resistance becomes support. Candle is respecting this line. Correct? And in similar manner, one more time, candle retests the Bollinger Band middle line and it went up from the exact area. But here you have to notice one thing. In this particular area, candle did not come to test our Bollinger Band. Rather, it went up. And right from the upper Bollinger Band, which acts as a very strong resistance, price got rejected. Look at the reaction, a strong, healthy red candle pushing straight down. That's when I knew the buyers were weak. And whenever price reject from the upper band like this, it usually moves back to test the middle band, which acts as a support. There was plenty of space for the price to drop, and a small green candle which tried to push up. It was very weak, no momentum, no strength. A candle like that cannot reverse the market, so without hesitation I took a put entry, and just like that the setup was predicted. It turned out to be a clean winning trade. Alright traders, one more trade, same chart, same setup, and after this I'm finally revealing my Bollinger Band setting, but right now I'm spotting something clean. This setup has almost 90% of accuracy from my experience. Everything is lining up perfectly, so this time I'm not playing small. I'm going to increase my risk to 5%. Yes, bigger position, bigger stakes. This will be my last trade of the session, and as soon as this candle closes, I'm going straight with a call entry, no hesitation. Watch this carefully. A strong green candle forming right at the middle of the Bollinger Band. Clean bounce, perfect reaction, and look at the candle before it. A weak red one. No strength, no pressure. That's the clue. Sellers are exhausted, buyers are stepping in. This is exactly the kind of combination I wait for. So the moment the candle opens, I'm entering for a call position, and I'm risking 5% higher risk because I already know what's coming. The candle should turn into a big healthy green push straight heading towards our upper Bollinger Band line, and look at that. It's moving exactly how I predicted, and yes, this is a 100% winning trade. Alright, so this is now my 6th trade using my custom Bollinger Band setup, and check this out. From all 6 trades, I've only lost one. Yes, just one, and that is the power of this indicator using the right way and with right setting. This becomes insanely accurate. Now look at my trade history. 6 trades, almost all win and only one loss. And if you remember, I made $336 in profit already, and if I have to show you my leaderboard, I have crossed over $1,000 after winning this trade. Take a look at the left hand side of your screen. That's my trade history. 6 trades in total, 5 wins and 1 loss. Simple, consistent and controlled. Now shift your eyes to the right hand side of the screen. That's my leaderboard. If you remember, I started from $336 and now it is sitting at $1,066, which is solid. And finally, my Bollinger Band setting, this is 20 and 2. That's the exact setup I use for all of these trades. Take a screenshot, backtest it, use proper logic and money management. And if you want more live trades and strategies, join my Telegram. Link is mentioned in the description box. That's it for today. Happy trading.